It's so pretty. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am unboxing. If you did not check out my last unboxing video, make sure y'all check that out. The link's going to be down in the description, as well as something up here, I think on this side on the screen. Yes, so today I'm doing another unboxing video, and this is from MAC Cosmetics, you guys. Before I start showing you what's all in this goodie box, make sure that you go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button if you have not done so already. Alright, let's do it. Let's see what's in here, y'all. I've been waiting to test some of this stuff out. Alright, where do I even want to start? Okay, let's start with the lipsticks, because I got a few things in here that I want y'all to see. This is the latest lipstick. It's called Galactic Mint. This is like, I guess it's a special edition. I don't know. Yo no sé. But look at the packaging. Oh, come on, camera, zoom. There it is. This is the pack. Isn't it cute? It's like a little pianza. It's like a little pianza. And this is the color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on. Let's see what it looks like. Ah. Y'all know I can do some bright color lipsticks. I can't do it right now because I'm barefaced and looking crazy. But it's like almost like a Tiffany blue, maybe like a shade or two lighter than a Tiffany blue. Mint. I mean, it's called Galactic Mint, so it's clearly it's mint, but I have to do, I'm gonna have to play in this, y'all. I know it looks crazy right now, but don't worry. When I add this to a look, honey, she's gonna be fierce. Okay? Alright. Okay, now that I have that one wiped off, let's see what the next one is. This is one of the lipsticks from the Aaliyah collection. This is called Try Again. Y'all know I really loved Aaliyah, and I believe the only product I've gotten from her collection was the bronzer. I think I have a whole video on the Aaliyah bronzer. I'll leave that down in the description box as well, and something up here on the screen. But this is another product from that line. Again, Try Again, and this looks like a pretty nude. That's pretty. Let's see how it looks on. Oh, this is gonna be. This is a pretty nude. Oh, this is pretty. This is like a true nude. You know, sometimes nudes can be pinkish or brown, more brown. This is like a true nude. That's pretty. I can see that. I can see me using that. Alright, so again, this is the Try Again by Aaliyah. Alright, and then the last lipstick I have in my MAC box. This is called Nico Kiss. It's again one of those limited editions. This is matte. What color is it? Let's see. The packaging on this, y'all, is so cute with the little panda. And this looks like it's a black, a true matte black. Yeah. It glides on really nicely. But I love matte lipsticks anyway, so I expect as much. Alright. Y'all see, so this is, again, Nico Kiss. A matte black. Alright. I think I'm going to keep that on for the rest of the video. Alright. Next I have, this is the Shiny Pretty Things Party Favor Mini Glitter and Pigments in pink. So these are their pure pigments and pure glitters. Let me open them up. Rip it open. Rip it open. This is what they look like. So it's 4 different colors. They have a couple of glitters. These are the glitter. These are the glitters. And then these are the pure pigments here. So I'm just going to swatch them on my hand really quick. This is so pretty. Look at this. This is like a magenta. Or maybe a fuchsia. Maybe? No, more like a fuchsia. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, try not to drop anything before I be pink all over. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Look at that. Look at that. And I literally, like, that was just, like, from the top in here. Look at that. Now that is fuchsia. Ooh. Okay. This next one is a purple glitter. Oh, what are their names? Let me tell you the names. So, yeah, this is fuchsia. This is bright fuchsia. Look at there. I said it. This is bright fuchsia. This is Heliotrope. Y'all, I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Heliotrope. So this is like a purple. And it just has like a little top thing right here. So that's what I'm using to swatch it. Apparently not. I can't even get it. I can't even hold it with my nails. There we go. Because I don't want to use a lot. Oh my gosh. So this is a pure glitter. This is pure glitter. To apply these, you would probably want to use a glitter primer or a little lash glue, because it's not gonna. It's pure glitter. It's not just gonna stick. You see it? It's kind of falling out a little bit because, again, it is pure glitter. I'm gonna have glitter all over me. This next one is another glitter, but this looks like a holographic type of glitter. It is called this. Y'all, I can't see. I can't see what it's called. I'm sorry. Is the name on here? No, I don't know. I can't read the name because I don't have my glasses on. But this is this is what it looks like. Like a holographic glitter. Again, with the glitters, you kind of need glitter glue or glitter primer, but I'll put a little bit on my finger. Y'all see that? Let's see if I can put a little. Oh, that's pretty though. That's a pretty glitter. Look at that. It's pretty. Ooh! Y'all, I'm gonna be here with so many looks. It's not even gonna be funny. It's not even gonna be funny. And the last is a pure pigment. Again, not glittered. This one's called Pink Opal. And I'll wipe some of this glitter off before I have glitter all over my room. Alright. Pink Opal. That's what this one's called. I just wiped it with the top so y'all can see. I'll smudge it in. Y'all. Oh, that's pretty. Because it has shades of pink in it. Y'all see that? Oh, that's so pretty. That is pretty. Because when the light hits it a certain way, it looks more white versus, and then sometimes it looks more pink. That's pretty. Alright, I'm going to wipe this off, y'all. I got so many goodies. Okay. This next one is Glitter Brilliance. It's 3D Platinum. This is another one of the pure pigmented glitters. So I guess I have to give y'all some glitter looks for the fall, huh? This is like a straight silver, basically. This is a bigger bottle than the others. I'm gonna leave that top on that one. Let me let y'all see it. Look at that. So that's a straight glitter. It's a loose glitter, so again, you have to have something on it to press it. So I had a subscriber ask me why I don't use glitters, and it's because I didn't have many, but now I have 3 new ones, which gives me like maybe a total of 5 or 6 loose glitters now. So new looks are coming, new looks are coming. And the last thing in this MAC, sorry, I got glitter everywhere. The last thing in this MAC unboxing is the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Eye Party palette in Smoky. And it looks like this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. So let's open it up. Let's see what these colors look like. I love MAC eyeshadow palettes because you can do like so many looks, and they come with their own, oh, this is pretty, and they come with their own brush, which their brushes are amazing. So this is the palette. So pretty. Oh, drop my pen, drop the brush. These are the colors. It's a nice range. Ooh, this like green is pretty. I'm not gonna swatch them all. I'll have to give y'all a separate video of just some looks. And it looks like it has a little bit of like a flat shadow brush and one that's a little fluffier on the other side. So let's do, they don't have names. The colors don't have names. So there's like this kind of greenish color. Let's do this. It's like a holographic green. I'm always so drawn to the shimmery colors. Like, I'm always so drawn to the shimmery colors. Oh, this will be pretty for a smoky look. Y'all see that? Oh, that's pretty. Let's do this blue that's right next to it. So that the one I did was this one. We're gonna do the blue that's right next to it. Let's see how that one looks. I swear MAC be so pigmented. It's not even funny. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited to use this. Let me get my fingerprints off of the mirror. The great thing about these type of palettes the great thing about like these type of palettes is that literally when you're traveling, like when I'm traveling and stuff, I can just grab up one palette and I can have like, you know, looks for the entire time I'm going versus taking my whole case. Or I mean, I say I can grab one palette, let's be true, I might grab a couple of palettes, but at least this one I know I have some, if I want to do some more neutral looks, I already have like full on some things for that. If I want to keep it a little bit more smoky, even add some pops of color, I can do that. I want to really quick, I'm sorry, this silver on the end caught my eye. I want to try that one, and then this will be it for real. Y'all, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I have to come back and give y'all my thoughts, reviews, and some looks on all of these things. Also, again, if you have not checked out my other unboxing video from the crayon case, make sure you check that out. I, so far, am giving this box a 10 out of 10, honey. I'm just excited to start playing in it and using it and doing some fun colors and looks. If y'all have any ideas for some looks that you think I should do that I can use some of my new products on, leave them down there in the comments. Also tell me if you've used any of these products and your reviews on them down in the comments below. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you continue to check in with me. Make sure you're here every Friday for Face Beat Friday, honey. Yes. Check out my Instagram at BeStoweStyling and my website www.bestowestyling.com, and I will see y'all soon for another video. Peace.